And you don't have an ID on you, ma'am?
No, but I don't need one, sir.
Okay. All right. Why don't you need one?
Because I didn't commit a crime.
Because you didn't commit a crime?
I didn't, you can't, yeah, you don't need
Okay.
I didn't.
Let me ask you this. Do I have the authority to identify everybody in the vehicle?
No, you do not. You do not, sir.
Alright folks, this video was sent to me at recordpolicenow@gmail.com. You guys are absolutely gonna love this one. There's two clips. On the first one, she's sitting in the passenger seat. She doesn't identify. And this should educate a lot of you out there who are riding around in the passenger seats. And if the driver gets pulled over for an infraction, you don't have to identify, folks. If you don't believe me, pay attention to this video because you will learn from it. In the second clip, she's being followed by a cop. She lets him have it. Like I said, you guys are going to appreciate this video. She's a newer channel with only 45 subscribers, guys. Let's go over to April Star's channel. Let her know that I sent you. I'll see you guys over there.
They didn't commit crimes either, sir. So they don't need IDs or anything either.
Sir, can you hear
Crack
me?
it out, you will cause
Sir.
no conflict.
All right.
I'm not
How are you
causing a
guys
conflict.
tonight?
Why would you? What?
Listen, I'm done talking to you, all right, man?
I know you are.
How you guys doing?
Pretty good, how about you?
I'm good. All right, listen, the reason I got stopped is because you stopped at that stop bar back there. You didn't use your turn signal when you
Oh, I
driving,
was
okay?
confused which way to go, and
We got
I ain't from up here.
Okay, I understand that.
All right.
All right. I
Sorry about
understand
that.
It doesn't immediately have to turn into an aggressive situation.
Nobody's being
okay?
aggressive. I didn't commit a crime.
You
I don't
own
have
the
to do
car, sir?
anything.
What's that, sir?
Do you own the car?
No, it's in my daughter's name.
Okay. All right. I'm going to come around there to your side.
Okay.
Okay. You telling me shit.
So you said who owns the car?
My daughter.
Who owns the car?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Where does she live?
It's South Shore, Kentucky.
Okay. So did you just drive up here from?
Yeah, I did. Yes, sir.
All right. So is your license is valid? I'm
Yes.
assuming,
Yes,
right?
they are.
Okay. And you don't have an ID on you, ma'am?
No, but I don't need one, sir.
Okay. All right. Why don't you need one?
Because I didn't commit a crime.
Because you didn't commit a crime?
I didn't, you can't, yeah, you don't need
Okay.
I didn't.
Well, let me ask you this. Do I have the authority to identify everybody in the vehicle?
No,
that
you
I
do
stopped for a
not.
traffic
You do not,
violation?
sir.
I don't?
No, you
Okay,
do not. Because
what if-
unless we commit crimes, you
What
do
if
not.
I have business with you, ma'am?
You have no business with me, sir.
Okay. Was you wearing your seatbelt?
Sir,
You wasn't wearing
that's
your
a
seatbelt?
secondary ticket. You have
Okay,
to pull
so
me
now-
over. Yeah, that's a secondary ticket,
Was
sir.
or was you not wearing your seatbelt?
I was wearing my seatbelt. I just took it off.
You just told me you wasn't, though.
I was. I said that's a secondary ticket, sir.
All right.
I absolutely did have it on.
You're always putting it up for me, sir.
Huh?
I appreciate you being cool with me.
I cooperate with
The only thing I'm trying to do is identify the people in the vehicle.
Right.
And there, you have
I'm
no
not writing
reason
you a
to do
ticket
that,
for not
sir.
using your turn signal.
I appreciate that.
I'm just stopping out to make sure that everything's okay.
I was confused which way to go. I wasn't paying
We're
attention.
definitely okay.
All right. And I understand that, okay?
Yeah.
Have you had any alcohol tonight?
Don't drink.
You don't drink?
Nope.
Okay, the only reason I'm asking is because I see someone on the passenger floorboard over there.
And they're definitely all closed.
I got it.
All right. Can you roll this back window down here?
He is crazy.
You have an ID on you, sir.
Why would
I appreciate
Why
that.
would you
Ma'am,
do
you
that?
have one on you?
No,
Why
sir, I
would-
didn't bring my purse.
Why would you do that?
That's all right.
Why would you give them your IDs?
All right, give me just a second here. I'll be right back
Well, I'm
with
the
you
driver.
guys.
I gotta get mine.
What's that?
Yeah, you do.
I said I'm the driver. I gotta get mine.
I would not.
Yeah,
do
no, I
that.
appreciate it. Those of you that are being okay with me, I appreciate that, all right?
Yeah, I'm not
Give me
going
just a
to.
minute, I'll be right back with you.
That's what happens when you watch my channel, folks. You learn your rights and you begin to record them and you send your videos to me to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. When you guys know your rights, you give cops a hard time. Let's keep it going.
You have no reason to stop me.
Listen, I got called over here for somebody. I was looking for somebody. When you took off, I seen you.
Yeah,
so
because you have no reason to stop me.
I wasn't stopping you. I was just figuring out
What are you beeping? Because you were beeping at me. I am very traumatized by police, let me tell you that. Because I've been arrested a million times and I don't do anything now and I still get arrested. Okay? And I don't like Chillicothe police especially.
Have I ever done with you?
I don't know you from a can of paint. But I don't want to know you.
Never seen each other.
I don't want to know you, but I don't go to jail anymore and I don't like police stuff. I've been arrested for so many times for nothing.
Have I ever arrested you?
I don't care. That's not the point. I'm traumatized.
Was you doing something wrong when you got
No,
arrested?
no, absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Typically, when
I had
see
an unpaid fine before. I lost my job over that. I'm not
you
doing
have
this.
one
That was, yeah, hell yeah, but still isn't, but it's nothing for you to, I don't care.
I wasn't
I
looking
don't
for you.
like police.
Hey, listen,
But you followed me and you have no reason to.
I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
I didn't commit a
You
crime.
ready to listen?
No. I didn't commit a crime. And you have no reason to even be speaking to
You're
me.
hiding at a corner.
Because I don't want to talk to you.
I wasn't looking for you.
You came all the way up here. You asked, I mean, did you see a girl?
Yeah, because you ran
I did not run. I walked. And you beeped? I thought, is he seriously beeping at me? What for?
What's your name?
You don't get that. I didn't commit a crime.
You're
not
hiding
getting.
in a closed business.
It's not a crime.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay.
You have no reason to be questioned. Matter of fact, I'm walking away.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir. You have no reason to even do all that. I'm not being detained. I did not commit a crime. Have a good day. What's your name? What is your name and badge number? Williams, what's your badge number?
211.
Okay.
All right.
Alright folks, the main reason why I share videos is because I want your channels to grow. I want your communities to know that the people are watching. The only way we can really educate ourselves, educate family members, friends, our own communities, is by doing what we do. I believe we've exhausted every other avenue. We had the opportunity to teach our kids their rights in schools. We didn't do that. We didn't teach our parents, so our parents didn't teach us. But we got the internet, folks, and we got YouTube. There's a community called the First Amendment Auditing Community. It involves a bunch of journalists, cop watchers, and many different kinds of folks that are out there recording public officials, holding them accountable. It's extremely important that we do that. Government seems to be running amok, overspending, misappropriation of funds, and they don't want us asking questions as to where everything is going. Clearly, government has grown into a monster, and it thinks that the people cannot control it. The people in government do not like seeing cameras, and they think they could tell us to stop recording. Folks, it's about time that you educate yourselves. Most of the people that I talk to are not anti-police, but they're not pro-police either. Many of the folks are beginning to understand that we need to focus on the policies that allow bad policing. Yes, we know that sometimes police officers are racist. A lot of them are narcissistic. A lot of them are power hungry, and we need to absolutely control this type of behavior. Maybe we cannot change their mindset, but we could change the way they behave with the people if we record them, if we know our rights, and if we begin to put the policies on the table to be readjusted and reevaluated so that policing benefits the people. With that being said, I'm going to let you guys go by teaching you guys the First Amendment. You have a freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Go subscribe to April Star. Let her know San Joaquin sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.
Here they come. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. The Folk Rock Police. Here they come.